destination has a story. Some are carved in stones, others are written in history. But in Nueva Vizcaya, our story blooms from something many once considered a waste, a simple corn husk. From the heart of Aritao, where hardworking farmers cultivate the land and communities thrive through resilience, emerges a souvenir that transforms discarded harvest into timeless beauty. This is Maranata Handicrafts, Petals of Purpose, where every handcrafted flower carries the spirit, creativity, and the hope of Aritao Nueva Vizcaya. Maranata Handicrafts is more than a souvenir. It is a celebration of our agricultural heritage, local identity, and the remarkable talent of our people. Each dried husk is carefully selected, cleaned, naturally dried, dyed with vibrant colors, hand-cut, shaped, and assembled petal by petal into elegant floral masterpieces. Every bloom reflects patience, precision, and exceptional craftsmanship. Innovation lies at the heart of Maranata Handicrafts by transforming discarded agricultural byproducts into elegant floral souvenirs. The enterprise demonstrates how creativity can give new life to ordinary materials. The experience goes beyond purchasing a souvenir. Visitors participate in interactive flower-making workshops, discover the intricate process, and connect personally with the people behind every handcrafted bloom. Corn husk, once considered agricultural waste, become the primary raw material, significantly reducing environmental waste while promoting responsible production and supporting nearby farming communities. Every purchase directly supports local families, strengthens community resilience, and promotes inclusive economic growth. This is responsible tourism in action, where visitors don't simply buy a souvenir, they invest in people, culture, and the environment. Every Maranata souvenir is thoughtfully packaged to protect its delicate, handcrafted beauty, while creating a memorable unboxing experience. Its clean, elegant packaging reflects Aritao Nueva Vizcaya's natural charm and includes the inspiring story behind every handcrafted flower.
Nagsimula ang aking negosyo mula sa simpleng pagmamahal sa paggawa ng mga bulaklak mula sa pinatuyong corn husk bilang taga Nueva Vizcaya na kilala sa agrikultura. Nakita ko ang halaga ng mga likas na materyales sa aming lugar. Sa halip na itapon ng mga corn husk, ginawa ko itang isang obra maestra na maging regalo at dekorasyon at pinapakita nito ang aking passion sa sining, sustainability at paggawa ng produktong may para sa akin. Ang bawat bulaklak ay parang tunay na may buhay at kwento. Ang aming corn husk flowers ay hindi nalalanta at tumatagal ng maraming taon. So bukod sa eco-friendly at handmade, bawat arrangement ay maaaring i-customize. Kaya ito ay perpektong regalo para sa kahit anong okasyon. At merong isang instance na nag-message yung aking customer at sinabing nag-stand out daw ang ating bulaklak. Lalo akong sinipagan ang aking negosyo at nakita ko ang kagandahan nito. Malaki ang naitulong ng DTI sa pamamagitan ng kanilang mga seminars, mentoring programs gaya ng PMME. Nakatulong din ang product development dahil dito mas naging mas maayos ang pagpapatakbo ng aking negosyo. In terms of giving back to the community, nagbibigay kami ng training at pagbabahagi ng kaalaman sa paggawa ng corn husk flowers upang makatulong sa iba na magkaroon ng dagdag kabuhayan. Layunin namin hindi lamang lumago bilang negosyo kundi maging instrumento rin ng oportunidad para sa komunidad. Gaya nga sa Kawikaan 16:3, ipagkatiwala mo sa Panginoon ang iyong mga gawa at magtatagumpay ang iyong mga balak. Ang sining ay hindi lamang talento, ito ay oportunidad. Huwag nating malitin ang simpleng idea o materyales. Sa tamang diskarte, sipag at pananampalataya, ang passion ay maaaring maging isang matagumpay at makabuluhang negosyo.
Bawat talulot ng bulaklak na ito, hindi lamang sining ang ating nakikita, kundi ang kwento ng sipag, pag-asa at pagkakaisa ng mga mamamayan ng Aritao, Nueva Vizcaya. Maranatha Handicrafts, Petals of Purpose. Every bloom tells a story of Aritao.